Hey, hello, what's up YouTube? I'm back here with another video. Today we'll see how to download and apply free Cinematic Luts on Adobe Premiere Pro. Guys, this Cinematic Luts are nothing but free Premiere Pro presets where you can apply that presets in the video. Today we'll see how to download and we'll upload in a video and we'll see how the outcome is. So guys, we'll get into the video. Guys, I have given the link in the description. Go and hit the link, open the link guys. You will end up over here. I have 38 free LUTs over here. Go ahead and download the file, download it as zip. Guys, once you download getting this zip file, go ahead and unzip that file, and I'm clicking your extract here. So guys, if you see here, the folder has got extracted and you have 38 items and 38 different cine style available, and all those are free video presets. So guys, I have a footage here. Let's go ahead and let's see how to apply that free LUTs. So guys, this is my footage over here. So if you see here, go to close the video editing software. Guys, now we'll see how to import all these video presets into Premiere Pro. These specific LUTs are made only for Premiere Pro. Guys, go ahead and let's see how to go and download or import all these presets into Premiere Pro. Go to the Windows, go and click Adobe Premiere, right click, go give more and open file location, and guys, you will end up over here. Again, give right click and open file location. Guys, you will end up in this local disk program files and Adobe Premiere Pro. Guys, make sure you are in Lumetri over here. Open the specific folder called Lumetri and go to LUTs, and guys, go ahead and click the folder called creative and go ahead and open the folder where you extracted. Copy all the cine styles, Ctrl C, and guys, go ahead and paste it over here. Replace the files and destination and do this as well. Guys, if you see here, you have imported all the cine style and all the video presets in it. Guys, now we'll see how to apply it in the footage. Guys, for this, go ahead and open Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, my Adobe Premiere Pro is open. Let me import some footage inside. So guys, if you see here, my footage is here. Let me go ahead and put in the timeline so that I can edit it. So this is my footage, and if you see here, it's a raw footage right now. So let's go ahead and give some style in it. So guys, for this, go ahead and on the top of the toolbar, go to color. And guys, on the right side you have many things. So click the footage, select the footage, whatever you want to edit, and go to creative look, and guys, there you go. You have all the files which you imported just now. So like 31 Cine Basic, like guys, you have exactly all the files which you imported just now. I guess this one is good, and if you click this, it is applied for the whole footage. Thank you guys. Let me see you in another video. Till then, bye. Thank you.
Go.